everyone who's joining DP Kids today. Welcome. So, how are you guys doing? Did you all try out any of the crafts that I have taught you? Okay, just like that, now today I am coming here to teach you guys another new craft, how to make a penguin. You all have seen in the TV, right? So, let's see how we are gonna make a penguin. Now, just like every day, we need a gum bottle, we need a scissor, some black color strips of A4 papers, something like this, and then another strip that is half of the width of that other strip, and another white color strip just like that, and some other A4 papers from different colors. Yeah. Now let's keep all those two sides and see what we are going to do with the black color strips. Yeah. Okay, put some gum on top of this and roll it and paste it. Right, now you get a part like this. Right, now let's make another piece like that from the other stripe as well. Okay, now we have got these two pieces. Now keep two, and you have to keep it on top of each other. Yes, right. Now let's take this white color strip also and bend it like this and cut a circle around like this. Okay, now after we cut that, we have to take this part and paste it around. Check the size, and then we have to, after cutting it, you have to paste it around this, and then you will have to take the other black color piece, and then now this is the body area. You take this part and paste it like this on the body. Paste it along like this. Right, now after that, take the other circle and put some gum on top. Right, now we pasted that. Right, next we need to put 2 feet and then put a mouth. Now let's draw his eyes. Right, okay, now we should put a small mouth, a beautiful mouth. Right, now then we are going to paste the mouth on. Right, now we want the legs. Now these penguins stay in the snow, right? Now usually when we need few stuff from the same size, what we have to do is like take a paper and fold it according to the number that you want, and then you can draw it accordingly, and then you will get it from the same size. So it's easy to get it from the same size like you want. So now I'm drawing just like this, and now after this, when you cut this, you will get two pieces from the same size. So it's very easy, and you will get everything from the same size. Right, now we got the feet. Now we have to, he stays in the snow, right? Now let's take snow. Let's draw the snow just like this. Now get this and we'll cut it around. Now the piece that we cut, the snow part, let's put some gum and paste his feet. Right, now we have now on the penguin's feet, you'll put some gum like this, and now, okay, we are completed with the penguin. Now here is a very beautiful penguin for our kids. Right, so with beautiful creations like this, we will come with DP Kids. If you haven't still subscribed to us, subscribe. And if there's anything that you would like to make, please comment. We will make sure that we will make those things. So until we meet again, to all our beautiful kids, have a good day.